In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotion on eBay in a few simple steps. Whether you're just getting started with selling online or you're looking to boost your existing eBay sales, creating promotions is a fantastic way to draw attention to your products and increase your revenue. I'll guide you through the process, making sure you have all the information you need to successfully implement these changes yourself. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the marketing section on your eBay seller dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Promotions. This is the hub where you'll be able to manage all the marketing strategies that eBay offers. It's really the starting point for any promotion you want to set up, and it's a great way to organize and track your marketing efforts. Once you've accessed promotions, the next step to creating your own is to click on the button that says Create Promotion. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. This feature empowers you to leverage eBay's built-in tools to attract more buyers. Creating promotions can make your listing stand out, especially in a competitive category. After clicking to create a new promotion, you'll be prompted to choose the type of promotion that best suits your needs. eBay offers several options such as sale events, order discounts, and special offers. Think about what aligns most closely with your sales goals. For instance, if you're trying to move inventory quickly, a time-limited discount might be effective. If you're focusing on increasing the average order value, an upside discount for larger purchases might be just what you're looking for. Once you've selected the type of promotion, it's time to decide which of your listings will be part of this promotion. You can apply the promotion to individual items, categories, or even your entire store, depending on your needs and goals. This flexibility allows you to strategically target the items you want to feature and potentially clear out stock that hasn't been moving as much as you'd like. With everything chosen, don't forget to save your promotions. Saving not only ensures that your work doesn't disappear, but it also makes the promotion active and visible to potential buyers. Keep in mind that while promotions can be a highly effective marketing tool, it's essential to continually monitor their performance. Over time, you can tweak and refine your strategies based on what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to experiment with various promotional approaches to see what resonates best with your customer base. And there you have it. Creating a promotion on eBay as a beginner doesn't have to be daunting. Just follow these steps, and you'll be attracting more attention to your listings in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and insights to enhance your eBay selling experience.